Growing zucchini. Most gardeners in North Texas grow zucchini during the spring and summer through the months of April through November. Zucchini and other summer squash do best when temperatures are between 65 and 85 degrees. Zucchini plants cannot tolerate a freeze and should be covered with frost cloth or a nursery pot in the case of low temperatures in late spring. Texas AgriLife Extension recommends planting zucchini seeds anytime between March 25th and May 1st, or from August 1st to August 25th. Some gardeners will continue to plant zucchini and other summer squash throughout the warmer months to be able to harvest fruit, despite any pest issues that may arise. Zucchini seeds are large and need to stay moist to germinate. Continue to water the plant throughout the growing season. Warm season crops can be watered 3 to 5 times a week. Feel the soil before watering. It should stay moist but not soaking wet. Adding leaf or straw mulch around your plants can help retain soil moisture. Zucchini can be planted directly in the ground, in a raised garden bed, or in a pot. The soil in any of these locations should be well drained and contain quality soil with plenty of matter and nutrients. Zucchini should be planted in an area that receives full sun for about 6 to 8 hours. Crops that require sun usually benefit from dappled shade during our hot Texas summers. Many gardeners plant zucchini seeds directly in the garden. However, planting zucchini transplants can also result in a successful plant. If you prefer to direct seed your zucchini, amend your soil with compost, water the area, plant your seeds in 1 inch deep, and cover them with soil. Leave 18 inches between each seed and keep area moist in order to allow the seeds to germinate. If you decide to transplant zucchini seedlings into your garden, amend the planting area with compost and water the area lightly. Using a spade or trowel, dig a small hole slightly larger than the size of the nursery pot that your transplant came in. Water your seedlings before carefully removing it from the nursery pot. Do not pull on the leaves or stem, but turn the pot upside down, cradling the plant in one hand while gently squeezing the nursery pot with the other hand. The plant should drop out of the pot. Place the plant in the hole with the roots down and level with the surrounding soil. Fill the planting hole with soil until it is level. Do not bury your seedling too deep and make sure to cover the existing soil. Pat the soil around the plant and water the area again. Zucchini is a popular garden crop to grow. In many cases, the plants are very prolific, producing numerous fruit throughout the season. However, most gardeners will find that they have issues battling squash bugs and squash vine borers. These two pests can destroy an entire crop and leave the gardener feeling defeated. Be prepared for these pests and plan to replant zucchini every few weeks. Zucchini will be ready to harvest between 42 and 70 days after germination. Read the back of your seed packet or plant tag to estimate when your zucchini will be ready. Zucchini will continue to produce until the plant dies. Harvest the fruit when it is about 4 to 6 inches long. Larger fruit may not taste as good as the young fruit.